Welcome to Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe. What are you doing? Asking questions. Eating, talking, jumping. Present progressive to be plus verb plus ing. Part 3. Questions, short answers, singular. Are you jumping? Yes, I am. I am jumping. Are you reading? No, I'm not. I'm not reading. Is he jumping? Yes, he is. He is jumping. Is he talking? No, he isn't. He isn't talking. Is she talking? Yes, she is. She's talking. Is she reading? No, she isn't. She isn't reading. Is it running? Yes, it is. It's running. Is it eating? No, it isn't. It isn't eating. Questions, short answers, plural. Are you reading? Yes, we are. We are reading. Are you reading? No, we aren't. We aren't reading. Are you eating? Yes, you are. You're eating. Are you eating? No, you aren't. You aren't eating. Are they watching TV? Yes, they are. They are watching TV. Are they watching TV? No, they aren't. They aren't watching TV. See you again on Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe.